Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's go ahead and check out the new supplies that I got from Craft Outlet. Hey guys, this is just a quick video to show you my Craft Outlet new haul. Don't judge my mess because I haven't had time to fix it, okay guys? And I always say the same thing, but I don't know about y'all crafters or, people that have a business, especially crafters. I try to clean, guys. I really do. And I mean, not clean, but I try to organize. And next thing you know, it's not organized again. So, anyways, back to supplies. So I got this order from Craft Outlet, and I'm very excited to show it to you. So this little video is just for that, okay? Well, let's start. So this is a Tinsel Flex tubing mesh. Let me show you how it's sparkly. You see there? I haven't used this type of mesh. I have some from the Dollar Tree, but I really haven't used it. And I'm excited to use it. This is going to be for, I don't know if you remember that I posted a sign of a horse that has like brown colors and greens and teals and blues. I'm going to use that for that. And now let me go ahead and show you a few signs, just two that I got this time. This is dedicated to teachers. It says big hearts help shape little minds. And it has some books and 2 apples. And this one says the same thing, but it's a different style of font and the colors and everything. This one has a scallop edge. They're both PVC, I believe it's called. So they're very weather resistant. And on that theme of teachers, I got me 2 of these sprays picks with some apples and this apple flowers. So I got me 2. So it's going to be 2 wreaths, 1 for each wreath. And then I got me 2 of the wreath rail forms. This time I got them with the tinsels, because I think it's a little bit easier to keep them where they are. And I'm probably gonna add a few over here on the middle. But for now, this one's, I'm gonna try this ones. And they're easy to bend. These ones are actually more sturdy than the other ones, but you can still bend them to do a mailbox swag. Or it can be a centerpiece as well. I got some pipe cleaners. Nothing exciting about this, but I need a black pipe cleaners. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the mesh, and I'm gonna leave the room for the end, okay? So I have 2 of this. These are striped mesh. It looks like fabric mesh. I don't know if it's fabric mesh or not, but look. And this, I wanted to go with the 2 signs for the teachers that I got. Okay. Now we have these 2 meshes. This one is Deco Poly Mesh, a regular Deco Poly Mesh, and it has this ombre brown to beige color, natural color. So these ones are gonna be for a cross read for a gift for somebody that I already have in mind. So this one's already just assigned to something. I got me 2 of this mesh. This is a wide weave mesh. And it does look like a little window in between. And this is a purple. This is going to be for a custom order that I'm going to make. I'll show you later what I do. It's a little surprise. It's going to be inspired by a famous TV show. Just letting you know. And my customer actually sent me a few things that she wants me to add to the wreath. Okay, and I already have bought this one before, and I'm gonna make a watermelon wreath for also a customer that wants one. And I already have one, but I think I'm gonna use 2 of them because the last one that I did, I was very kind of short on it. So I ordered another one. This one will fray, guys. So if you cut it with a rotary cutter, it will fray. I don't know how I would do with a wood burning tool, because as you can see, the woven, you know what I mean, right? It's like super close. So I don't know if this will work with a wood burning tool, and I don't want to risk it. because I may start a fire. We didn't start the fire. Anyways, so I use the poof technique on that one, and then I cut some curls and curl them really, really tight and put them upside down to make sure that it didn't fray. So this is for a custom order for a watermelon. And then we're gonna go to our ribbons. Of course, the last thing that I'm gonna show you, because ribbons are very exciting. So I got me this deluxe. Y'all know I love this brand. This brand, guys, is a high-end but affordable ribbon, and it's a chinoiserie in style in black and white. And the back of let me see if we can see it. The back of the ribbon is black and it has a satin finish. So you know, I already have a orange, I have a pink, and I have a regular blue and white on 2.5. So I needed this 1.5 for my collection. I don't have anything planned yet for it, but you know I'm gonna use it, right? One day. Anyways, so I got me this other deluxe one, and the back is like a stripe. Let me see. Like it's striped. I'm trying to show it to you. Like a striped brown, heather brown maybe. I don't know. But this one is, they name it feather ribbon. So if you can see, it looks like feathers. So this one, I want to use it with the horse sign. Okay. Now I got me this ribbon also for the horse sign. It looks like watercolor, but at the same time, it reminds me like a beach with the sand and the water. So it's gonna be perfect for that sign. We have, for my custom order that I was telling you for the purple mesh, I bought this ribbons here. Okay. So we have this, I think it was called Funky Flower Yellow, something like that. Okay, and it has this stripe edge. I have 2 of those ones, and then I bought this metallic purple. This is a 2.5 inch. This is the RG ribbon collection. This one, I don't know, it doesn't say. So 2 of those ones, and then I got me this also our RG ribbon collection. So this is a, I don't know how to call it. How do you call this? A plaid. Look. You see how it has squares, but it's like with crosses and dashes? Crosses and dashes. So I don't know. I don't know how to call this, but if you know, leave it on the comments. And then the 2 last ones, it's going to be this berry, it's called berry something. It's a kind of stripe with a darker color of the beige or natural color, and this berries are like a very, not a sage green, but it's like a very soft green, and it also has some glitter, some gold glitter. And this one is also gonna be for the horse. And then I got me this one because I've been eyeballing it forever. And this is a dark blue with some flowers. And I don't know what I want it for, but you know, I always find something to use it for. So that was my haul, guys. Let me know which one you like more on the comments. If you like better the ribbons, if you like the mesh, if you like the signs, the peaks. Have you ever used a rail form? Because I do have a tutorial how to make a mail swag with the rail form. It's my first tutorial, I believe so, and I have it in Spanish and in English. So if you want to go ahead and look at that one, go watch it and see how I did the mailbox swag. And they can also be a centerpiece. But anyways, let me know in the comments which one you like the most out of my haul. It could be an individual, or just say like, oh, the ribbons, for example, or oh, I really like that ribbon with this and that. Or if you really liked everything, leave me a purple heart. How about that? Okay, well guys, that was it for now. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I appreciate it a lot. And remember, I'm a growing channel, so please don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow so I can, grow my channel little by little. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you later.